Yo, what's going on, guys? This is the second part of that booster bundle opening where we're still trying to chase that white Reshiram EX, that red Victini, and that Reshiram SIR. I've been having terrible luck lately, so hopefully I get this turned around quickly. I definitely want some inventory for my next show, so let's see what I get. Okay, got an EX, still a pull. Not a great one, but a pull nonetheless. Let's take a look at this second pack. That's crazy. Nothing in that one. Hopefully we get some last pack magic. Let's find out. For those of you that don't know, I got my next vending event coming up. It's going to be located at Fairfield. So hoping for a great turnout. Looking for some trades. Let's see what I get. That's crazy. Oh well, maybe next time.
No.
No? Oh, don't cry. Are you